You want to build or upgrade a new PC but your budget is tight? Then you've probably already had the Asus Prime B760-PLUS on your radar. In this video, we'll take a close look to see if this board really delivers on its promises and whether it's worth buying for you. Be sure to stick around until the end. Alright, let's get straight to the point. If you're looking for a solid, affordable motherboard that supports the latest Intel processors, you should definitely give this model a look. The board supports all common Intel processors from the 12th, 13th, and even 14th generation, and thanks to 4 RAM slots, you can install up to 128 gigabytes of DDR5 memory. That's more than enough for gaming, streaming, or creative projects. One of the biggest advantages is the PCIe 5.0 slot. That means if you want to use a new graphics card at full bandwidth down the road, you'll be all set. On top of that, you get 3 ultra-fast M.2 slots, perfect for high-speed SSDs. Whether for your operating system, games, or large files. As for networking, there's a fast 2.5 gigabit LAN port built in, but Wi-Fi is only available if you add your own module. A bit of a bummer, but for many desktop setups, not a deal breaker. The ports are where things get really interesting. You get USB-C with 20 gigabits per second, plus plenty of other USB ports on the front and back, and even older video outputs like VGA are still here, for anyone who might want to hook up an older monitor. ASUS also included some clever DIY-friendly features, like LED diagnostic indicators, reinforced slots, and well-cooled heat sinks for the M.2 SSDs and power delivery. Of course, with a budget-friendly motherboard, there are some trade-offs. The power delivery system is fairly basic, which means overclocking isn't really recommended, but honestly, if you're not a hardcore overclocker, that's totally fine. Build quality, solid. Features, really good for the price. As for price to performance, opinions online are mixed. Some say it's a little overpriced for what you get, but bottom line, if you want a functional, future-ready motherboard without unnecessary extras, this is a strong choice. If you're interested in this motherboard, be sure to check the links in the description below for current deals. So, what are the pros and cons of this board? Pros: supports modern Intel CPUs up to 14th Gen PCIe 5.0 and 3 M.2 slots for fast SSDs. Plenty of USB ports, including high-speed USB-C, durable construction, and ASUS protection features. RGB support for your custom setup. Cons: no built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Basic power delivery, not ideal for overclocking. Slightly high price compared to similar models. That's our look at the Prime B760-PLUS. If you're searching for a motherboard that does a lot without breaking the bank, this model could be a really solid pick. Definitely check the links in the description for the best offers. If this video helped you, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hardware reviews.